time. Thank you.
Victoria.
This song is actually for Audrey in remembrance for John. Of you, life will never be the same. All these memories keep calling me to you. How I wish they'd go away. All these visions that remind me of better days. I miss you most of all. When I see flowers in the rain, I see laughing as we run across fields through the thunder and the rain, finding shelter in each other's arms that day on the things I didn't say. All these words just running round and round in my brain. I miss you most of all. When I see flowers in the rain, wish I could do something about it. Life can be good, no doubt about it. In life's many mysteries, it just wasn't meant to be. And I miss you much of all. When I see flowers in the rain, as I'm sifting through these photographs of you, life will never be the same. All these visions keep reminding me of you, and it seems so long ago. And in my heart I'll always know I'll miss you most of all. When I see flowers in the rain, wish I could do something about it. Life can be cool, no doubt about it. In life's many mysteries, it just wasn't meant to be. And I miss you most of all. When I see flowers in the rain. Right, enough of that sad soul stuff.